everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great week. It's pretty chilly in BC. I hope where you're at it's not so bad, but you never know. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and always comment. I do appreciate that. And make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Normally I have a video at least once a week, sometimes two, but normally it's about once a week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alrighty, so today I have an unboxing of my Pandora. And they come in a little bag like this. They wrap it up really nice, little tissue paper, Pandora's on both sides, and let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, so let's see here. And if you want to see my Pandora collection, leave comments below and I'll be more than happy to show that. Alright, let me go ahead and untie the ribbon. And that's the tissue paper. And that's my receipt. Okay. And there's a jewelry box down here. Okay, it says Pandora on it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a quick look here. Alright, I got these two clips, and the reason why I got these two clips is because my Sleeping Beauty charms are falling like down, and the only way to keep them like up at the top part of the bracelet is with these clips. So apparently, because I'm kind of new to Pandora, apparently, if you want them to stay up, you know, instead of sliding around your bracelet, then you get these clips. So anyway, so these aren't Disney. However, these are just clips that you can use with any theme bracelet. Even though my bracelet is basically Disney, I did get these two clips so that if I get other charms that aren't Disney, they'll go with that too. So alright, another thing I wanted to ask too, if anyone has the cleaning kit from Pandora, how do you use it? Do you feel that it's worth it? So let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking about getting one, but I'm not really sure if it's really worth the money or not. So let me know. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today with my two Pandora clips. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye now.